It looks like Samsung is ready to kill the headphone jack in next year's Galaxy Note 10. Yes, the Note 10. The Google Pixel 3 XL display has been crowned as the best display by DisplayMate, and we get even more leaks of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, this time from the most trusted of sources. I'm Jaime Rivera reporting from sunny LA, because yesterday we were at the Pixel event, then we all have to fly here now for the Razer event. But it should be really cool. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with the Microsoft Surface headphones. That took us by surprise. The design is great, but for those of you wondering exactly when can you get it, pre-order information has emerged. It starts November 15th. You can get them by the 19th, and the retail price is, yes, $349. I don't find them overpriced for what headphones in that range cost, but then again, yeah, we'll see. Now let's talk about the LG V40. I know a lot of you actually want to get your hands on this phone. For those of you that want to, October 3rd was pretty much the launch. It should be reaching people's doorsteps on the 18th. And there are software updates already in our units. There are camera issues that the company is working on. And I actually kind of reported certain of these in the review, so you can learn more in the review, but in addition, it's still a great phone. Again, there was just some software things they needed to iron out. Now, for those of you that want to know more about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, as if we don't know enough about it, famous tipster Evan Blass has just showed us exactly what to expect from the design. And once Evan gets this, I'm pretty much sure that this is the way it's going to be. It looks gorgeous. We see things like the on-display fingerprint scanner. We look at cases like the color options. I just can't wait to get my hands on one and see if it really looks as good as it does in the renders. Now let's talk about the Google Pixel 3 XL as, the phone just won the best rating for a display from DisplayMate. And that's interesting because the iPhone XS Max beat the Galaxy Note 9, which for us is the best display. But then the XS Max was good. Now in the case of the Pixel 3 XL, we do have our unit, we've begun our review process, and we will let you know if it's actually a better display. But yeah, it's got that rating. We'll see how it lives up to that, particularly with that notch. And finally, the hot news today. Should I call them hot? I think I should. We've got sources from Korea that are claiming that Samsung is going to be the next company to kill the headphone jack. They've made fun of Apple many times, but it turns out that the company is working on this. Not for the Galaxy S10, but apparently for the Galaxy Note 10, the company might need to do away for it. There's no justification. We're obviously very early. We're nearly a year away from the Galaxy Note 10, though the rumors are that it could launch at the same time as the S10. So whatever the case may be, let us know in the comments. I mean, how do you feel? I mean, Samsung and LG are the two companies that still defended this. Now it hopefully is just, well, it's probably just going to be LG, and I'm saying hopefully, but not meaning that I don't hope that Samsung makes the switch. Leave us a comment down below, as in my case, I hope they keep the headphone jack. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.